Hey, what's up everyone? It has been about a week or so since I posted any content. It's not because I don't want to, it's just that I ordered some stuff for the C63 and my Jeep, and it just hasn't arrived yet. And also the last couple of days, we've had some really nice weather, but I've been working quite a bit. Today, I just came back from the gym about a half hour ago, and now I'm just sort of joyriding a little bit, and I'm gonna head over to a car wash the car because I got bugs all over the place. But I want to just make a quick video to give you guys an update on what's going on. I did order some stuff. I'm gonna let you know what that is and why I decided to do that. And also, there's a bunch of cars and coffees and events that are starting to roll out here in the next 2 weeks. So within the next 2 weeks, there's gonna be some steady content of going to car meets. We're gonna dyno this car. There has been a little bit of a difference in the car that I'll explain to you maybe in the next video, but I won't get too much into it in this one. But we'll stay focused here, and I'll let you know what I ordered, okay? So I finally ordered some new tires for the C63. I haven't been able to do a 0 to 60 after my tune because there's just too much torque. There's too much power in this car, and the tires that I have on here are just not good enough. As you can see, I kind of swirl around. Traction just, I'm leaving traction control on because I'm scared. But I just need bigger, wider tires. I need something with more grip. So that's what I decided to do. I ordered the Bridgestone, let me see here, I get the right name for you guys. The Bridgestone RE-71Rs. And the sizes that I got 265/35 R19s in the front and 295/30 R20s in the rear. Now I could have went 305s in the rear, but I was told that I'll get a little bit of rubbing, and I don't want any rubbing at all. And it's not like I'm gonna be drag racing this car all the time. I am gonna be going to the track. The only bad thing about these tires is they wear much faster than the ones that I have on that came stock on the car. And I also decided I am not gonna buy rims this year. I was working with a company that was gonna give me a smoking deal on some rims, but I mean, a smoking deal is still gonna cost me about 5,000 to 6,000 Canadian dollars for the rims. That's not including rubbers, and these rubbers cost me a little over $2,000 just for 4 rubbers. I would have got the Michelin Sport 4S Plus, but they're sold out everywhere, and I need to get tires in because I'm taking this to the dyno and I'm taking this to the drag strip in a few weeks. So I need to have something that has some kind of traction so that I can, post a decent time and really get a feel for, what this car can do. So I ultimately decided not to, and the main reason why I decided not to get the rims this year is because I just spent a lot of money on buying a Jeep, right? I just spent quite a bit on getting a Jeep, and now I'm putting some modifications into the Jeep. So as much as I would love to spend $20,000, $30,000 a year in modifications on cars, I just can't do that. So I decided not to get the rims, and I'd rather put $5,000 or $6,000 into my Jeep instead of putting on rims on this car. And when I ordered this vehicle, I got the sport rims put on there, and I paid like 20-something hundred extra dollars for the package. So I may as well use them, and I haven't heard a single person complain about the look of these rims on the C63s. And I love them. I think it looks great. Now, obviously, there are sportier, meaner looking options out there that we will pursue down the road. But, we did put the carbon fiber air boxes on this year. I am getting on new tires. I am getting a track membership. So all that stuff really adds up. And, I just don't want to go too crazy and burn up I don't want to burn up a bunch of money in 1 year of owning the car. So that's why I decided not to. And I'll show you guys these rims. I'm sure you've seen them, but I'll give you a closer look when I make it to a car wash. I love them. I love to look at them. So yeah, I would love to get better rims, meaner looking rims down the road. And you never know, if the right opportunity presents itself, then maybe I will hop on it a little bit later on the season. But as of right now, I want to put some money into my Jeep. I want to get the Jeep customized. So those are the rubbers that I decided to get. When they get here, they should be here in the next week. I'll take these rubbers off. I'll store these in the garage. I'll put these rubbers on, I'll get the car aligned and all that fun stuff, and then I'll have these for the summer. And yeah, and then what I'll do probably towards the end of the year, I'll burn the new rubbers off. We'll do crazy burnouts and we'll have fun with them before I put on some new rubbers or something like that. So we'll finish them off the right way. Now, I'll also post a picture of the tires up on the screen as well, so you can see what they look like. And when it comes to the Jeep, I ordered a winch. Man, I'm telling you right now, I've called 3 different Jeep places here locally and asked them what I should be getting for a winch and a front bumper. And none of them called me back. They're like, yeah, we're gonna look into it, we'll give you a call, it's gonna take some time. None of them called me back. So over the last week or so, I've been on YouTube, Google, eBay, Amazon, looking at winches, looking at bumpers to put on, like guardrails and shit in the front. And I finally picked a winch, which I'll post up here on the screen, which is a Warn, I think that's how you pronounce it. Apparently it's a really good one. I think it was around $600 or $700. So I ordered that one. That one should be here in the next week, 2 weeks tops. They didn't have it for Amazon Prime, sadly. So I'm just waiting for that to show up. And I need your guys' help when it comes to getting a front bumper for my Jeep. I don't know if I should go sort of a wide stance, a sort of a smaller one. I have no idea. So why don't you guys give me some insight in the description below for all you Jeep owners out there. Kind of weigh your opinion, weigh your guys' opinion before I order it. And the winch that I got pretty much goes with almost every bumper that I've seen. Like, apparently it's a really good winch. So as long as it's compatible with my Jeep and with the winch, then I'll be good to go. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. I do apologize for lack of content, but I haven't been doing much. So, unless you guys want me to make videos of me going to the gym or, going to get sushi for lunch, that's pretty much all I've been doing and working. So that's pretty much the show. There is a car wash here, so I'll stop here and we'll go to the car and I'll show you guys my rims and tell you guys a little bit more about the rim situation. All right, so here are the rims that are currently on my C63. This is an upgraded package. I actually don't even know what the other rims look like, but these still look really, really nice. And it looks really nice on the matte gray with the tinted windows. It's just a really good color mixture. Yeah, I mean, I'm a little disappointed. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm trying to rationalize not getting new rims because I was really set on it. But it's more of a cosmetic thing, and to spend another $5,000 or $6,000 just for the rims. I mean, the rubbers once again cost me a little over $2,000 for 4 tires. It's about $7,000 or $8,000 to for rims and tires. It's just, in my opinion, it's not worth it. I'd rather like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 can go a long way on my new Jeep. So I can almost get everything that I want done to it cosmetically on my Jeep for that amount of money, and I'd rather have a ton of different content and upgrades and modifications to give you guys instead of just the rims. And I just still love the look of these rims. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, you never know what the future brings, but you gotta be semi-responsible with the amount of money you dump into a car, right? If I spent like $8,000 just on protecting the car with the film and the Ceramic Pro, so last year I put in quite a bit. And like I said before, I made a fair amount of money off the YouTube videos, but my channel also doesn't get hundreds of thousands of views per video, right? So I'm pretty much spending what I put into the car. So without further ado though, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car, spray her down. I don't know if I can wall mount this somewhere. clean. Also want to show you guys something too, look. Ugh. Finally broke 10,000 kilometers. 5 digits. I love the Post Malone's newest album. What was I gonna say? But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about my decision not to get the rims for the C63, but take that money and put it into Jeep modifications. Also, let me know about the winch that I ordered. Did I make the right choice? Yeah, and also a front bumper for the Jeep. Give me some input, and we'll talk a little bit more about the bumper in another video where it's like dedicated towards the Jeep. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on everything that's going on, and we'll see you guys again very, very soon. Should have another video in the next couple days. So yeah, can't wait for all this stuff to arrive. And as soon as I get my new tires and I get everything on, we can start to push this car again. We can do the 0 to 60 seconds, the launch controls, all that fun stuff, the comparisons of before and after. We just needed tires. Finally, they're coming. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. Hit that like button if you're enjoying the content. Subscribe if you're new. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.